If you want to change the world, start by making your bed. Today is a quickie but a goodie in the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Anyway, for today's challenge, we are going to make our bed. Even if it's 8 p.m. at night, go ahead and make your bed right now and let's add it to our daily habits. This one is a total game changer and you will feel so much more productive every time you do that. Add it to your morning on your daily habits. Don't forget to get that freebie with the calendar if you haven't done so already. And every other freebie will be linked down below. So far for our habits, we've been dressing to shoes, talking to ourselves kindly, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest. We've also been getting out our clothes and shining our sinks. And don't forget, we've added the mission work, so be sure that you're doing that as well every single day. And now today, we will be adding making our beds. These daily habits are the stepping stones to a great and tidy home. Don't forget to comment down when you're all done making your bed, and I'll see you Monday for day 16 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!